Okay, so now that I have shown you how to exchange your USDN to USDT, I would like to show you how to get your USDT to your account, to your wallet. So what we have to do is go to Assets and then click on NGK and then go to USDT and then click on Transfer, and then I would like to select Omni. Okay, and then transfer all the amount that I have, and then here I got my wallet address, and then we enter the memo. Okay, USDT to wallet. Okay, and then as you can see here that at the bottom there is a handling fee. Okay, the higher the handling fee, the faster the transaction is made. So I would like to go for average, and then we click on transfer. We key in our transaction password, and that's how you transfer it back to your wallet.